Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Nextbase IQ dashcam system is and how it is positioned. The Nextbase IQ is a smart connected dashcam system designed to provide continuous vehicle monitoring using AI-powered features, cloud connectivity, and mobile app control for real-time access to driving and parking footage. It is positioned as a premium smart car security system that goes beyond traditional dashcams by combining recording, live monitoring, and driver safety alerts in one platform. The device allows users to record high-resolution video, 1K, 2K, or 4K depending on model, with front, cabin, and optional rear coverage for full vehicle awareness. It also supports 4G cloud connectivity, allowing users to access live video, stored recordings, and alerts remotely through the mobile app. Key features include live view monitoring, smart sense parking alerts, and witness mode for capturing and sharing incident footage in real time. The system also includes emergency focus tools such as crash detection and SOS style assistance that can share location and critical information during serious incidents. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee recording reliability, connectivity stability, or cloud performance, which can vary depending on network coverage, subscription plan, and device setup. The app and services may require ongoing subscription plans to unlock full functionality such as cloud storage, live view, and advanced monitoring features. It is mainly intended for drivers who want advanced vehicle security, remote monitoring, and automated incident recording. Some features depend heavily on internet connection quality, subscription status, and hardware installation, which can limit performance in real-world use. This could affect how consistent remote access and live monitoring feel during daily driving or parking situations. For users who want a high-end smart dashcam with connected safety features, this could be an option. Whether this system is worth using depends on how much you value cloud monitoring and subscription-based vehicle protection. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.